right, who do we have here?
What?
And?
Stuart.
What are we doing?
We are skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today. Whose idea was this?
That was Monica's.
It's your fault if this goes wrong.
No, it's hers.
Yeah, pointing
Totally
fingers at each other. Celebrating anything?
Just
Checking it off, huh?
Yeah.
Any last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
All good. All good.
We're gonna have a blast. Next time we see you guys, we're gonna be blasting off. High five. High five. Here we go. Woo! Here we go, guys. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Get in, get up, get out of this bird. Come here. High five. High five. Stay right here. Woo! Pull left one down. All the way down. Do it again. Whoa. Pull the right one down again. Yeah.
Woo! It's so steady for me.
Great. We made it back. What do you think?
It was awesome.
You have fun?
Yeah.
You're gonna do that again?
Hell yeah.
Yeah? Next time I'll let you open the parachute, you just gotta find the golf ball and pull it out.
All right, I can do that.
Scott, Colorado Springs, what was your favorite part?
All of it.
It was nice flipping with you. Woo! This could be you.